Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a pet water fountain and automatic pet feeder in one box. So we're gonna check this thing out and see what's in here. I'll just move you back a little bit so you can see. I got white just because I think it'll look best here in my place. And let's take everything out and figure it out. I'll put some things over here right now as we're going. This is gonna be the bowl, obviously. Here's a filter. Well, let's get everything out of here. Okay, put this here. They have it packed really well. There's so many pieces and parts, they just kind of have them all stacked in each other. Their box was small. I'm like, how is everything gonna fit? I guess they just packed everything inside of it itself. Okay. Okay, so that's gonna be part of the feeder. It's gonna be more of the feeder there, obviously. Is there a front and back? Yes. There we go. That, okay. And then the water feeder here. So we're getting it figured out here. And then here is a pump for the water part. Pretty good. I'm figuring it out without even the manual. I haven't even opened it yet. It's right over here, but I will shortly. Make sure everything is set up correctly. I don't want it set up wrong. I don't know if you've ever used like these silica gel packs. Like these ones here are kind of interesting. These are circular, but they're gonna go in this top here. Let's see, how do I open it? Which way do you think I open it from? Ah, there. So that'll go in there. And that, what that does is that keeps the food dry, so the food won't get a lot of moisture in it. So I know that that's what that's for, because I've had feeders before. Okay, we're getting there. Lots of pieces and parts. And then here is the feeder, I guess that's gonna be the programming side of it, and then this is gonna be the feeding side of it. So it should go like that, and there. So that's nice that it has a, the steel feeder part. And then this is gonna be for the water part. So let's see, I'm gonna assume our filter will go in here. Put it there, and then this is gonna go on top of it. The pump will go in. Okay, this might be where I might have reached the point where I need to figure out the manual. Okay, so let's see what we got to do here. So I think we've got the feeder set up okay, but the water part, not so much. Okay, so the pet feeder is up in here, so that's going to explain to us how to set all the clock and everything. So we'll figure that out here shortly. And we can set our feeding schedule. It's cool, okay. And then on the back, here's more of it. I have a tiny dog, so for me, we're gonna be fine. And then this is what the fountain's gonna look like here. It's actually gonna be a whole fountain. So let's see, so we had that. Then, so it goes that piece. The pump's gonna go into here. The pump is going to be in there, but I'm not sure where the wire is going to come out. I guess the wire comes out through the back. Okay, there is a little section here for it. So let me push it through. Okay. And then the pump will sit in. If you look in the bottom of this, you can see there's a little section for the pump. So that's where the pump will be. Actually, let me take off this extender right here for now. We will put the pump in there like that. And the pump has its own little filter on it too, which is nice. Then this goes on there. Let's see. Is it going to be? Let's see if this has a section. That, the round thing. So it goes this here goes this way here. Oh, I guess I gotta push this through. Let me make sure I'm getting it on there. Let me put this on the pump here. Okay, so there, and then this is going to go on the top, so that's how the water is going to pop out. Okay, so there we go. So that's all of that for the water part. That looks right. I think I got it all correct. Yep. Okay, so I'll show you this here, how we set it up. So that's kind of the directions for the pump. Now, that's what I was a little bit curious of where the wire goes. But you see it kind of comes through there. So, and then we just plug it into there and let it go. So let's go get some water and fill this up and see how it goes. I'll just actually leave it here, and I'll actually leave this here, and I'll go get some food and pour it in here, and we can try these two out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we have it set up now. So I have the water going. You can see I plugged it in. It's just plugged in through the little USB. I have it just plugged into a battery pack right now. This here can take a few, I think it's D-size batteries, so you can charge it there. But you can program it up to 4 meals a day, and you can even program it to say something. So I could have it say, hey, Penny, time to eat, and then she'll know that it's time to eat. So that's it. And then you can manually do it too. It looks like you can unlock the device, and then if I hold the plus button, I think it'll give a feeding. Yes, so now it should give a single feeding of food. I haven't actually done it yet, so it didn't do one yet. Let's try it again. There we go. The first one was empty, but so a single feeding is this amount of food. So for my Penny, she would probably eat 3 feedings at each time to get her food. So that's it. So that's how it would work. I'll show you again here. I'll take the camera off here so you can see it up close. And if I'll hold the button down, oh, can I hold it? Well, it's without sliding it. No. See? So that's the feedings. So that's pretty sweet that you can set